National Secretary of RPI Athawale Maheshwar Thonaujam has urged National Women's Commission and National Commission for Protection of Child Rights to speak up against the brutal killing of women and children by Kuki militants. Maheshwar Thonaujam, who is currently in New Delhi, has urged Dr. Divya Gupta, member of National Commission of Protection of Child Rights, Child Health Care and Welfare, to take immediate action against the tragic incident. Speaking to media, he urged CSOs and politicians to prioritize efforts towards saving the state. He criticized both ruling and opposition MLAs for their inaction against the perpetrators and questioned their silence on the matter. He criticized both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and opposition leaders for staying silent regarding the incident. Speaking further, Maheshwar Thonaujam added that MLA Paulian Lal Haukip allegedly acknowledged on the wire about Kuki militants' involvement in killing the civilians. Furthermore, he accused Churachandpur Assembly Constituency MLA LM Khaute of glorifying armed militants who were killed by CRPF as martyrs. Maheshwar Thonaujam called for the disqualification of Kuki MLAs whom he accused of conspiring against Meitei civilians.
Kuki narco-terrorist limit is beyond the limit. Innocent civilians with Dumina Paraga, Hatlaga, ising the Tadara Pibese, see beyond the limit is the Kambagi, Narendra Modi Labour Prime Minister Sisu, Domina Tweetpok to the height of it, the Domina Labour and Bahusi Powda, plus Manipur sec politician Miams and Natni have the Tazara, Duna Labour, Brazamiam, CSO Labour Miam say, Shidam Machet Tanabamatan Nate, was the Punjan Biro, Tame, Sapira, no, not Temapagi, Nakom, the Shidang, which Nakon, Tado Bigro, I say what you make the Imali. Baki damakta aduna ko thadara si thema pada yarani habe thibam de to si husi pok de Kuki MLA tara se disqualified tawdrip se karigino ngarangi karan thapar ki interview da MLA Paulen Haukip na masamak na confess to zagrabani taruk hatli se Kuki nani habe se masamak na yazarabani mana retaliate to potni habe se masana machindagi hairaga interview da proof lerabani aduga CRPF na Central Forces na Kuki terrorist ni hatlaba trama thoido LM Khaute MLA duna trama thoidugi asi bhakchang manak chatlaga makoi terrorist nate martyrs ni ka hari se Madu Taragadi, Materisk Manaka Chatlaga, Mana, Martis Haibang Mavarina, Mahak Shudum, Marida Naredo, Tabani, Adudi, open the Nange, interview the Nange, video the Ure, Adu Taragadi, Yamtuna, Kuki MLS disqualified to video disqualified the Nate, Narangi Paulen Haukip Amusung LM Haukauti, video Ure Matung the D, Paulen Haukip Kitchinda, Kanabasunataba, Ichamsama innocent civilian part pada, Masu Yaning Yaning Nangba means Mama Sasu disqualified to Matung that Zealous Namzan because Magi Wangang the openly short or Rabani, Narang interview the Ad Hosipo, MLA Tarasi disqualified to Dribas Carino, Hausi Aduda, politics place, Hanaba Matam Nate, party ideology topiro, Amato in a Ponjelaga, Yellow Furup, Akogi Imale Basican, Dabayadi, have a Wakalun Chansan Biro, Kuki terrorist, Pandabamakai, Ulei Palay, Torang, Tabakto, Topiro, have a say, Sidang Heisening.